Creating piping and cording of any size of the Brilliant is very easy using the zipper foot. I've got the zipper foot attached on the left side, and here I've got an 1/8-inch piece of piping and a piece of fabric. So I'm going to wrap my fabric around the piping, just lining up the raw edges. And if you're going to be inserting your piping onto a curved piece, you want to make sure that your fabric strip is cut on the bias. Mine's just straight cut here. So I'm going to place my piping underneath of the presser foot. And the left side of the presser foot is a little bit shallower, so it sits right up on top of the piping, and then the front portion of the foot will run right alongside the piping. And as we stitch here, the goal is to make sure that we keep that piping right into the fold of the fabric. It's never a bad idea to start with a little bit wider piece of fabric than what you actually need. You can always trim down your piping strip after you've stitched it. But just stitch and make sure that your needle is running right to the right of the piping, not actually stitching into the piping. And if you should find that your needle is landing in the piping, you'll hear a sound. It makes kind of a thunking sound. And you can always adjust the needle position by adjusting the width. If you make the width a larger number, then you're going to be moving your needle farther to the right, and that will make sure that it's not coming down into your cord. So I'm going to stitch all the way off the end, and I always create a little bit longer piece than what I actually need. Cut our threads, and there we have our beautiful piping.